Besties, welcome back or welcome if you're new. Today I decided to try this rainbow eyeshadow makeup tutorial. I actually bought these makeup goodies about 2 months ago from Mega Store, a new store that opened in our town. And I've been waiting to do this video, so I just stored it in the Shein bag until now. On the left, you will see the video that I used as a tutorial. I got this tutorial off of TikTok, and I must say, she really did like a really good tutorial. I don't know who she is, but shout out to her. This makeup tutorial was awesome. So from inner to outer corner of the lids, we start from green, then we go to yellow, orange, then pink, purple, and we end off with blue. So I just used a basic nude color and went over all around my eyes just to be like my skin color, so that if I make any mistakes, it wipes off a lot easier, because I'm not a professional and I've never done this before. I'm just playing around with makeup and figuring my way out, and you're welcome to join me with this. It's actually really fun. Look how pigmented these colors are. This green was shocking and I was like so nervous to put it on. I was so scared I'd make a mistake, and I did kind of make a few mistakes, but I had to just trust the process. I hope you enjoy this. It was a lot of fun making this, but yeah, it was a learning process as well. I had to make sure to do the bottom as well so that it goes in line with the top. And then to clean the two brushes I used between every single color as well, and make sure you clean it thoroughly, otherwise the colors blend. At this point it was giving clown, but I was not going to give up. I was so adamant about finishing this job, even though I was laughing so much at myself. And I realized like I was 3 colors in already and my whole eyelid was like covered, so I had to try and fix these mistakes. Please excuse all the funny faces I pull. If you have never done eye makeup, you won't understand. Like, everyone pulls these faces, it's not just me. Now it's time for the final color, blue, and I realized I had to first blend that purple because it was not mixing in well. Where must I put this blue now? Now I just look like some kid drew on my face. I am no artist, I'm gonna be honest. But just trust the end result was worth it. And I spent literally 10 minutes just blending to try and make everything look a lot better and wiping away like the edges. Now I try to just make a wing on the edges, and I like to go from the end of my eyebrows and make it kind of connect to that, but not all the way. But that's kind of like my guideline of my wings, because I've had a lot of people ask me like, how do I do my wings? This is how. I don't put it over the whole eye, it's literally just on the edge. Then I put on some mascara, and then after that I put falsies on, which is where another disaster came. So this was new glue that I bought that's like a black strip glue, so that it blends in with the lashes and it doesn't show like that white, because my last glue was like 3 years old already and it was a white color, and I spent honestly about 20 minutes struggling to open up this thing. To this date I have never gotten this bottle open, so if you know how to open this thing, please help. Like, I don't see any point other than cutting off the tip and then I have to use it all up in that go, because like it will just leak out. So yeah, I'm using my old one that is like literally 3 years old. There's hardly any stickiness left on it, but luckily the lashes were kind of sticky anyways when I took them out of the pack. And finally, the results were in. Despite having to use the white glue, they still came out really pretty, and I love this look. Let me know what you think. I'm feeling gorgeous. Anyways, I hope this encourages you. Even if you're not a makeup artist or don't know anything about makeup, just try it. I am not a makeup artist. I just tried, and I must say I love it. Now I'm gonna go film some TikToks. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and please let me know if you'd like me to do more of these, or if there's any other makeup tip you'd like to know from me. Until next time.